Right, so a solid cylinder of radius 10 inches is inscribed in a prism with equilateral triangular bases. Find the volume of the portion of the prism that is outside the cylinder if their common height is 100 inches. Alright, so unsay figure na to ani class? Mo ni siya. Triangular bases, equilateral triangular bases na prism. Yeah, inscribed is a cylinder. So sulod ana niya is naka-cylinder. It looks something like that. Alright. Okay. Okay. Say given radius, which is 10 inches. Then, common height nila, both is 100 inches. Find the volume of the portion of the prism that is outside the cylinder. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. Nalang kayo replyan. Wait. Sige. Ang ipakita lang na volume is the volume of the portion of the prism that is outside the cylinder. So, ang volume na itong ginapakita, outside the cylinder lang man daw. So, ang volume sa prism minus sa volume sa cylinder na to. Mana iyang gusto pangitaon. Kaniba? Na area. Ay, kanina volume times kana. Gets naman siguro niya yung drawing, no? Sa volume of the prism minus volume sa cylinder. That is, mo na to yung gusto na volume na ginapangita. So, unsa ba yung volume sa cylinder class? That is pi r squared h. Area sa circle times the height. Mo to siya. Which is, ma-easy lang kuhaon kay given naman ang radius, given ang height. So, pi, radius is 10, height is 100. That is equal to 10k pi. Sige. Squared times 100. Yeah, 10,000 pi. Oops, saan ako? Okay. Pi. How about volume of your prism? Just get the area of the base, multiply that by the height. Problema lang class is wala mo'y area sa base. Na mo'y height, wala mo'y area sa base. So, yung bahato na po is this. Sige, saan naman ito? Pen, nawala. Okay, ane. This is our base. Yan, muna itong circle. Right? This is 10. From center, padulong dira, that is 10. So, kung magbuhat ko triangle class, inana na triangle, kanina angle class, di ba makuha lang man nato na siya, that is 360 divided by 3, 3 man ka sides niya, divided by 2 pag yun, that is 60 degrees. And again, if nalibog mo ha, katong wala sa mga previous sessions class, kani siya na, ano man na, di ba? Yeah, kuha ano man na central angle. Kung kuha mo central angle, ana, that is 360 divided by pila ang number of sides. 1, 2, 3. So, divided by 3. Tapos, mo na to siya, kanina angle. The reason nga nung nag-divide patag 2 kay kanibaya, katunga lang man. Gi-divide man tag 2, katunga lang man. Mo nang nag-divide patag 2 ha. Kuha lang ninyo. Alright, sige. So, 60 degrees. Right? 30, 60. Yeah. Okay, confirm na to. Siya 60. Alright? So, nanatay ka to. Sorry. Wait lang ha. Okay. So, mani atong triangle, no? This is 10. This is 60. How about this? Let's say this is if kani A na siya na side, this is A over 2. Divided by 2 papud gihapon kay nakatunga man ni siya into 2. Ano ba? A over 2. So, that is tangent 60 degrees is equal to opposite niya is A over 2. Adjacent niya is 10. Solving for A class, pila man na ito makuha na answer? That is 34.64. 64. So area of the triangle is square root of 3 over 4a squared. Diba? Area ano niya ba? Equilateral triangle as mentioned sa problem, that is square root of 3 over 4a squared lang ba yan na siya class. Yan, na naman tayo a. So, masolve na po na to ang area of the base or of area of the equilateral triangular base. So, that is square root of 3 over 4, 34.64 squared. Pila man na siya class. Sige. Square root of 3 over 4, 34.64 squared, 519.58. Okay, so volume of the prism is 519.58 times the height, which is 100. So that is equal to 51958.48. Kung katong ganina, ba? Kalang? Sige, wait Kani siya times itong 100, kita na ako. 51958.48. Okay? Sige. So, ang volume class, atong final answer, volume nato is pila man. Na naman tayo volume sa cylinder, na napatay volume sa prism, which is mo lang atong kailangan to get the volume na missing sa problem. So, pila man atong volume yun na, sorry, na-erase. Pero, sige na lang. Sorry ka, yun na-erase siya. Sige, try natin reconstruct nagalag ako ang kuan. Sige, later na lang na class. Kaya madlangay ta. Pero, inani siya ha, volume is just equal to volume sa prism minus volume sa cylinder. Pila man dapat na class? So, 51958.48 minus 10k pi. Pila ang volume outside of the prism? Volume of the prism that is outside the cylinder. Pila, class? Minus 20542 inch cube. 20542 inch cube. So, mo na itong final answer. Easy lang, no? Mo lang to ha, just as long as kaning volume sa cylinder, easy lang siya kuhaon. Kay given ng R, given ng H. Ang volume sa prism lang, class, medyo dito lang mo malisod. Kaya wala mo base, wala may area sa base ba? And for you to get the area of the base, dapat ma-identify ninyo pila ang edge sa imuhang equilateral triangular base. So, makuha ra siya, class, pag makuha na po ninyo tong central angle, good na to, diri So, using basic concepts lang in trigonometry or sa mga triangles, kuha ra po dayon na to tong area. Atong side A. Okay? Once nakuha na nimo yung side A, apply the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle, nakuha na po nimo ang imuhang kaning B na to diri Multiply that by the height na 100, kuha na nimo imong volume sa prism. And that is it for this problem. Medyo complicated lang siya gamay, pero if inyong isipon gyud pod, class, easy lang man jud siya. Medyo taas lang ang imuhang process na gian. Okay? Sige. Alright, so padayon ta ha. This is third to the last problem ha for tonight's session. Okay, a container in the form of a triangular prism shown in the figure below contains water at depth of 6 inches. Find the volume of the water daw. So, kaning blue na area, pila volume daw na to niya. So, given na tanan, 18, 8, 12, pati ang height of water is already given na. Mo na lang yun to. Volume na lang yun atong kailangan. Okay? Wait. Anong ano man yun? Anong naaw naman ni answer daan? Ito lang ha. Sige. Ayan ta. For us to get the volume of the water, class, kailangan na ito makuha ang area, ani na region, then multiply that by the length of this. Kuha na ito yung volume, right? So, first to get the area of this, given naman ang height, wala lang takabulog pila ning base niya. Ba? So, atong buhatan na is mag-similar triangles ta. Wherein kani 12, kani sa container ni na part nya ang sa water na part 6 ni kani unknown. So similar triangles lang na concept. You have 12 over 6, 8 over 6, 12 over 6, 8 over 6. So x na is pila man na siya class 4. Okay, so volume is just the base of this. So kaning red na portion times the height. In this case, class kanin length atong kailangan. So what is the area of the base of this one, of this triangular cross-section? Diba, pwede man natin apply ang concept of 1/2 base times height. Diba? Times the times 18. Kanina 18. Diba? Kuha lang ninyo. Sige. So, para ni siya sa kaning triangular section ha. Para sa ana na section. So, you have 1/2. Ang base niya is x, which is already solved for. Ang height niya is 6 times 18 class. Kaning 18 is again ha, na siya. So, pila man na siya class. That is equal to, di na ko kaya. 4 times 6 times 18 divided by 2, that is 216. 216 inch cube. Okay, and that's it. Sige, next na. Find the height of a prism with a base. Second to the last problem niya. Find the height of a prism with a base in the form of a sector with a central angle equal to 25 degrees. Its volume is found to be 350 inch cube and the height is 4 times the radius of the base. So, now ano niya class? Natay prism, preyahang bases kay sector daw. Sige. Sobrang ginani sa pen gosh. Alright. Naniyahang ng sector. Something like that. Okay. Ang height, given ba? Wala, no? Wala. Ba? Dili man ta diri nag-solve. Tingala ko balik ta na slide, balik ta diri ta. Mo ni siya. Okay, ang height is wala lagi given, dili given ang height. Kanina angle diri is given as 25 degrees. Kani siya sector man so radius ni. A sector is kung circle ni siya. Circle na siya, mo ni ang center. So something like that. Mo ni imo radius. Kani daw imo 25 degrees. Kumbaga. Okay, volume is already given as 350 inch cube. And according to the problem class, your height is 4 times the radius. H is equal to 4r. Rearranging that, we get something like r is equal to h over 4, right? Sige. So, pila mong volume ani? Volume is 350. Pero what is the formula? That is the area of the sector, area of the base, or basically the area of the sector times the height, which is also unknown, right? What is B? Area of the sector class. B is what? Again, area of the sector, pero what is the formula of the area of the sector? Diba we have 1/2 r squared theta class. For theta is in radians. So, pag i-substitute natin na siya class, you have 1/2. R is h over 4. According to this formula i-arrange na natin siya. You have h over 4 cube. What is theta class? Theta is 25 degrees, pero i-radians man nato. So, mag-multiply pa kag pi over 180 degrees diri And, you get, mo na siya, I'm home base. So, rearranging na from formula class, from here. Mani ang base pa lang alone na formula. So this is 350 is equal to 1/2 h over 4 squared times 25 times pi degrees niya 1 over 80 degrees times h. Okay, h. You have one equation, you have one unknown. H lang iyang unknown. We have one equation, one unknown. Solve na natin si h. Shift solve lang sa calculator. 350 1/2 you have 25 times pi 180 tapos x shift solve calculator class, you get what? 29.5 inches, and that is it for the height. So malang to siya for this problem. Medyo ano lang siya, siguro maglisod lang mo if you decay, if you don't know the formula for the area of the sector, no? So that is one thing for you to take note as well, the area of the sector. Right? Okay. Okay, so proceed na ta. This is our last problem for tonight's session, for the third session. We have here one edge of an oblique prism forms an angle of 30 degrees with its projection on the plane of one base. So, yeah, if the lateral edge is 15 centimeters long and the base area is 20 centimeters squared, find the volume of the prism. So, nada kay oblique prism. Wait lang. Wala, takabaloon sa ikuan. Okay, wala ako kabaloon sa inaong, no? Sa base. Pero assume na lang tag triangle para dali na lang i-draw. Wala mo po mention sa problem, no? Oblique prism. Okay. Basta oblique siya. Hiwi. Nakahiwi ang imuhang kuan. Pero, so nakay angle diri Ay, pahiwion pag yun nato nin sa ha. Para ma-emphasize lang ay yung pagkahiwi. Ana. Okay. This is the lateral edge E. This is another lateral edge. Yan na kay degrees diri na 30 degrees. So pag mag-draw ko og triangle class diri just magamit na to later sa tong formula. Ana ha. H. Kana siya 30 degrees. Okay. Alright, so ang base di ay is 20 cm squared na ha. So, ang ginapangita sa problem is volume of the prism, which is basically area of the base already given times the height. Kani. Okay, so pag i-rearrange na to ni siya class, ano ba yan ha? Oblique prism ba yan ha? So, kung naka-remember mo sa to ang second session, nara siya plot twist gamay, but it still follows the area of the base times height na formula. Dili alang gid na siya i-derive ninyo. So, you have sine theta is equal to opposite h over e. Rearranging that, you get height is equal to e times sine theta. So, may mo siya nga ni class. Area of the volume is equal to area of the base times e times sine theta na niya imong formula. What is the area of the base, class? 20. What is your edge? Already given by the problem, 15. What is theta? Already given as well in the problem, which is 30. Computing for the volume, what do we get? Sine 30. That is 150 centimeter cube. And that is it for this problem. Okay?